Student, this is the last most important question of angiosperm chapter, and definitely it is asked in long answer type of questions. If stages are asked, it may be asked for 3 marks and description is asked for 5 marks. So let us see what happens during the development of dicot embryo. Student, this development is shown in orthotropous ovule. Orthotropous means like this. We have studied anatropous ovule was like this, but it is in the orthotropous ovule. In orthotropous ovule, this is the micropylar end and this is the chalazal end. So the first step start with the transverse division of the zygote. Transverse division of the zygote into smaller apical cell towards chalazal end and larger basal cell towards micropylar end, isn't it? Now there is vertical division in the apical cell, giving rise to two embryonal cells, and again transverse division in the basal cells giving rise to two suspensor cells. Now student, this two embryonal cells, they have again perpendicular division, right angle towards the vertical division, and naturally it will give rise to 4 cells. When these two cells divides at right angle, it will give rise to 4, and that is called quadrant stage. 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrant stage cells. And there is division in the suspensor cells. It keep on dividing and producing 6 to 10 suspensor cells. And the upper suspensor cells, this one, at that end, it becomes haustorial. It becomes haustorial cells or haustoria, and these suspensor cells, they try to push the haustoria inside the endosperm for the absorbing nutrients. Now in the next step, these quadrant cells, which was embryonal cell earlier, it will again divide periclinally to form 4 to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, giving rise to 2 tiers. This is the outer first tier and this is the inner tier, isn't it? Now let us see what interesting thing happens in this. Please concentrate on this diagram. These two diagrams are very important with respect to the development of dicot embryo. Let us see what happens in this, what changes occurs. The lower cell of suspensor cell become differentiated. The lower cells of the suspensor cell become different, and it is called hypophysis, and it will give rise to radicle in future. Radicle. Now you see this octant cell, 8 cell, the outer tier will give rise to hypocotyle in future, and the inner tier inside, this will give rise to epicotyle in the future dicot embryo, isn't it? Is this clear to you, student? Again I am telling you important things, that these suspensor cells, 6 to 10 cell stages, 6 to 10 cells, it tries to push this developing embryo in the endosperm and the haustoria too in the endosperm to absorb nutrients. Now check this diagram carefully. Here there is again periclinal division in this 8 cell stage, and that give rise to proembryo, or this stage is also called globular stage. This stage is also called globular embryo. globular embryo student or proembryo. Now the cell of this is 16 cell stage, 16 cell. These cells become now meristematic. These cells become now meristematic and it start dividing rapidly, producing. This is haustoria, this is suspensor. When this 16 cell stage become meristematic and it produces heart-shaped embryo. Heart-shaped embryo, student, remember, this is the main feature. Heart-shaped embryo is the main feature of dicotyledonous embryo, family Anacardiaceae. Very important for your NEET examination. Family Anacardiaceae, like mango, Mangifera indica, is belong to family Anacardiaceae. Cardia means heart. Heart-shaped embryo develops here. And now what happens here? The suspensor become reduced. Ultimately, the suspensor becomes reduced, and in the mature embryo we see large two cotyledons. This will develop into cotyledons. And ultimate structure, and in ultimate structure what we see, student? We see two cotyledons, and this hypophysis will become radical like this, and the first tier of this stage will become hypocotyle. This is your mesocotyle, and the inner tier will become epicotyle. Epicotyle, radical, hypocotyle. Student, let us correlate this stage with this. The lower cells of the suspensor become differentiated into hypophysis, that becomes radical. The first tier of this 8 cell stage, the future of that stage was hypocotyle, and the inner tier give rise to epicotyle. Isn't it? And the heart-shaped embryo is the characteristic feature of Anacardiaceae family, that is related to dicot.